Ever caught yourself wondering about the hidden desires of a younger woman you're interested in, but couldn't quite decode what she's really looking for? Today, we're going deep into understanding those less obvious needs and desires that can truly deepen your connection. We'll explore not just what's said, but the unspoken signals through her actions, choices, and the subtle ways she seeks understanding and connection. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp on these cues, bridging the gap between guesswork and genuine understanding. And keep an eye out for our bonus tip at the end of the video. This one piece of advice could completely transform how you connect, making all the difference in understanding those hidden desires. It's the key to really enhancing your approach and deepening your connections. 1. Active listening and observational skills. Active listening isn't just about hearing words, it's diving deep to catch the waves of emotions and hidden desires beneath. Think of it as tuning into a radio frequency where the real message is broadcasted between the lines. This skill is your secret weapon in understanding younger women, especially when words are few, but the emotions are plenty. Now let's talk body language and nonverbal cues. These are the silent signals that shout what words often whisper. A glance held a bit too long, a subtle shift in posture, or even the way she plays with her hair can reveal volumes about her feelings and needs. It's like having a map to hidden treasure. You just need to know how to read it. Observing these cues closely can give you insights into her world. Does she lean in when you talk, or does her gaze linger? These are her ways of showing interest or calling for deeper connection without saying it outright. Mastering the art of active listening and observation turns you into a fluent speaker of this silent language. It's not just about cracking a code, it's about building a bridge of understanding and connection. So, keep your ears tuned and your eyes peeled. The signs are all there, guiding you to truly connect and understand the person before you, beyond just words. 2. The significance of empathy. This is your bridge to truly get where a younger woman is coming from, her unspoken desires, and her deeply felt needs. It's stepping into her shoes, seeing the world through her eyes, and feeling the rhythm of her heartbeat without her spelling it out. This skill is golden, especially when words fall short or the generational divide seems wide. So how do you sharpen this tool called empathy? Start by genuinely listening, not just to respond, but to understand. When she shares something, reflect on what emotions she might be experiencing, not just the surface-level facts. Ask yourself, how would I feel in her situation? Another key strategy is to challenge your own assumptions. The world she navigates is likely quite different from yours at her age. Acknowledge that and be open to learning about her experiences without judgment. Cultivating empathy also means showing vulnerability. Share your own experiences and feelings. This not only deepens your connection, but shows you're invested in truly understanding her world. Empathy is crucial for bridging the age gap. It breaks down barriers, paves the way for genuine understanding, and enriches the connection beyond the superficial. It's about tuning into her frequency, understanding the unspoken, and truly getting the picture of her world. With empathy, age becomes just a number, and the connection you build is based on mutual understanding and respect. 3. Open and honest communication. Creating an environment ripe for open and honest communication is like laying down the foundation for a sturdy bridge. This bridge connects two worlds, ensuring that the flow of thoughts, feelings, desires, and expectations moves freely and safely between you and a younger woman. It's about being clear and straightforward, ensuring nothing gets lost in translation. So, how do you kickstart these conversations? First off, set the stage for trust. Let her know she's in a judgment-free zone where her thoughts and feelings are valued. Start with your own openness. Share your thoughts and feelings as a way to invite her to do the same. Another tip is to ask open-ended questions. These are your tools for encouraging her to express herself more fully. Instead of asking yes or no questions, frame them in a way that invites elaboration. Think along the lines of, how do you feel about, or what are your thoughts on? This not only shows your interest, but also gives her the space to open up. Remember, the goal isn't just to talk, but to truly connect. This means listening as much as you speak, if not more. Through open and honest communication, you build a deeper, more meaningful connection. It's about understanding and being understood, bridging gaps, and nurturing a relationship built on mutual respect and understanding. This approach doesn't just apply to the big things, but also the seemingly small, everyday details that add up to a whole world of understanding. I hope this video is hitting the mark for you. Feeling a connection? I'd really appreciate a bit of support. Every single like, comment, and subscribe helps more than you know. Thank you for being an essential part of this conversation. 4. The role of shared experiences. Shared experiences are the glue that binds any two people together, acting like a secret ingredient that spices up the connection between an older man and a younger woman. When you dive into activities you both enjoy or discover new ones together, you're not just spending time, you're building bridges, finding common ground, and unearthing each other's deeper desires and aspirations. Looking for ways to strengthen that bond? Consider taking a class together. It could be anything from cooking to photography, or even a dance class. It's about stepping out of your comfort zones together and learning something new, which naturally brings people closer. Another great idea is to explore the outdoors. Plan a hiking trip, a day at the beach, or even a simple walk in the park. Nature has a way of stripping away the complexities of life, allowing genuine connections to flourish. Don't overlook the power of attending events together, such as concerts, art exhibitions, or sports games. These settings provide not just entertainment, but shared moments that can lead to deeper conversations and understanding. Lastly, volunteering for a cause you both care about can be incredibly bonding. It's a way to see each other in a new light, working towards a common goal and making a difference. Through these shared experiences, interests, and activities, you're not just passing the time, you're building connection that highlights your mutual understanding and respect, laying down the tracks for a journey of deeper discovery together. 5. Respecting boundaries and individuality. Recognizing and respecting personal boundaries and individual preferences isn't just about avoiding stepping on toes. It's about showing deep care and respect. It's the foundation of any strong relationship, especially between an older man and a younger woman, where understanding and honoring these limits shows your consideration and empathy. Understanding her boundaries means actively listening and observing, being attentive to what makes her comfortable or uneasy. It's acknowledging that just because you're okay with something doesn't mean she is, and that's perfectly fine. It's about giving her the space to voice her limits and ensuring she knows they will be respected. Honoring individual preferences goes hand in hand with respecting boundaries. It shows you value her uniqueness and are interested in her happiness and comfort. Whether it's about how much time you spend together, the activities you partake in, or even the pace at which your relationship progresses, recognizing these preferences strengthens your bond. This level of respect and understanding signals a deeper level of care, one that goes beyond surface-level attraction or interest. It lays the groundwork for a relationship built on genuine affection. When she sees that her boundaries are not only acknowledged, but celebrated, it opens up a new level of intimacy and connection. So, remember, respecting boundaries and individual preferences isn't a hurdle. It's an opportunity to deepen your relationship, showing that you're truly attentive to her needs and values. It's a clear signal that you're in this with care, respect, and genuine interest in her as an individual. 6. Continuous learning and adaptation. Understanding the hidden desires of someone, especially when there's a bit of an age gap, isn't a one-and-done deal. It's more like tending to a garden that continuously grows and changes. This journey is about patience, keen observation, and an eagerness to learn and adapt. Recognizing that her needs and desires will evolve over time is key to keeping the connection strong and meaningful. Staying open-minded and curious is your best strategy. Encourage conversations that allow her to express herself freely and share her evolving interests and desires. Be genuinely interested in what she has to say and show that you're willing to adapt your understanding and actions accordingly. Remember, people change, and so do their needs and wants. Embrace this change instead of resisting it. View each new revelation about her desires as an opportunity to deepen your connection and keep the relationship vibrant and fulfilling. Lastly, don't forget to share your own evolving thoughts and feelings. This two-way street of open communication and adaptation not only brings you closer, but also creates a dynamic and evolving relationship that stands the test of time. So, lean into continuous learning and be willing to adjust your sails as the winds change. It's not about getting it perfect from the get-go, but about being willing to navigate the journey together with mutual understanding, respect, and an ever-curious heart. This approach not only enriches your bond, but also makes the adventure of understanding each other all the more rewarding. And now for the bonus tip that ties everything together: never underestimate the power of small gestures. These acts, as simple as they may seem, can profoundly signal your understanding and care for her hidden desires. It's the little things that often make the biggest impact, showing you're attentive to what truly matters to her. For instance, remembering her coffee order exactly how she likes it and surprising her with it on a busy day can brighten her mood instantly. It's a sign you pay attention to the details of her life. Or, compiling a playlist of songs from a genre she mentioned loving shows you listen and value her preferences. Even something as straightforward as sending a message to check in on her before a big presentation or exam can reinforce your support and understanding of her pressures and aspirations. These gestures show you're in tune with her life's ebbs and flows. Picking up a book by her favorite author or arranging a day out at a place she's expressed interest in visiting are other great examples. These actions don't shout, but whisper intimately of your care and affection, making her feel truly seen and valued. Small gestures are the secret language of deep connection and understanding. They demonstrate that you're not just physically present in the relationship, but emotionally invested, recognizing and nurturing her needs and desires in the most thoughtful ways. So embrace the power of the little things. They're your unsung heroes in building a meaningful bond. Now that you know more about her hidden desires, what's next for you? Discover the subtle ways younger women check you out, or learn the things women say that are massive warning signs. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.